What's going on, YouTube fam? It's your boy, the wisest and most powerful of all nerds, Brian Meezus. Yo, I'm in freaking lost for words. Not really. I don't know. This isn't really scripted or thought out or anything, but YouTube literally just sent out an email today. A couple minutes ago, actually, in the process of making this video. And what the new YouTube update states is, under the new eligibility requirements announced today, your YouTube channel, King Chimera, is no longer eligible for monetization because it doesn't meet the new threshold of 4,000 hours of watch time within the past 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. As a result, your channel will lose access to all monetization tools and features associated with YouTube Partner Program on February 20th, 2018, unless you surpass this threshold in the next 30 days. Accordingly, this email serves as a 30-day notice that your YouTube Partner Program terms are terminated. One of YouTube's core values is to provide anyone the opportunity to earn money from a thriving channel. Creators who haven't reached this new threshold can continue to benefit our Creator Academy, our Help Center, and all the resources on the creator site to grow their channels. Once your channel reaches the new threshold, it will be reviewed to make sure it adheres to our policies and guidelines. And if so, monetization will be re-enabled. I recently saw a video on Game Theory that talked about how Jake Paul or whatever and those brothers can potentially ruin YouTube for a lot of hard-working upcoming YouTube channels. The new YouTube update basically says if you don't have up to 4,000 hours of total watch time or 1,000 subscribers and this, that, and the other thing, that they're going to demonetize your channel. And I feel that that is a little bit unfair for a lot of the legitimate channels who are trying to come up, or those who might even be like receiving some type of income or revenue from their channels despite having less than 4,000 views. I mean, I know regardless if it's less than 4,000 minutes or hours of watch time, that it's not going to be that much cash, but it's still just like, an extra buffer of income. Anyway, last year, they gave us the 10,000 view minimum in order to get your channel monetized in any kind of way. I think what creators try to do, maybe to counter that, in addition to the Jake Paul scandal, was basically bot their channel and get fake views and fake subscribers in order to try to bamboozle YouTube. And that it just may be a way to counter that. Regardless, your boy's still going to work hard, still going to produce a lot of videos for YouTube. I do have long-term goals for this, and there's other ways to monetize off of YouTube besides AdSense. AdSense is probably the weakest way to monetize your YouTube channel. But anyway, you guys can tell me what you think about this whole big YouTube change and how it may affect your life and whatnot. Please help a brother out and like this video and subscribe so I can overcome that threshold very quickly. And look forward to my channel for Black History Month. I got a lot of videos planned for you guys that I'm working on right now. I'm going to try to drop a whole lot back to back in February. It's your boy Brian Meezus, the wisest, most powerful of all nerds. I will see you guys next time.